warmer.
I wish we could go outside and play.
Too bad it's raining.
I have a great game we can all play together. We can have fun no matter the weather. We need some more help than just me and you. It's time to call in Thing 1 and Thing 2.
Hello!
First, put any of these items into the backyard. Click on one of these weather buttons to change the weather outside. And keep an eye on the thermometer. When it goes up, it's getting hot outside. When it goes down, it's getting colder. Ready? Let's play!
It's getting warm outside.
The rain is making everything wet. Look how cold it's getting. The rain is turning into snow. The snow is burying the snowcat. He sure looks different. The snow is burying the snowcat. He sure looks different.
The wind is blowing everything around. It's getting warm outside.
It's getting warmer. I'm glad the birds have a place to cool off.
Dogs love a nice, warm, sunny day. It must feel good to swim on such a warm day. The squirrel is burying acorns for the winter. You'd better put on sunscreen, Thing 1 and Thing 2. It sure is sunny outside. You'd better put on sunscreen, Thing 1 and Thing 2. It sure is sunny outside.
Click a weather button below to change the weather.
Time for an umbrella. I don't want to get wet. Be careful, Thing 1 and Thing 2. Don't get wet from the rain.
Uh-oh, cats don't like to get wet, especially the cat in the hat. Look how cold it's getting. The rain is turning into snow. The squirrel is digging up acorns that he buried.
There is snow on my ice cream cone. The sun will help melt all of the snow.
What a beautiful sunny day.
Where's the water? The sun made some of it evaporate.
Flowers look pretty when the sun shines on them. The snowcat is melting from the heat.
The warm sun helps dry the leaves out.
wind is blowing hard.
Home!
Whoa, look at all the snowflakes.
Use the Snaporama Camera to take a picture of the cat, Nick, Sally, and all their friends. You took a terrific photo. Your photo is being saved in the Snaporama Camera.